Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all back to the online support program. Over here in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about classification of operating system. In classification of operating system, we are going to discuss single user operating system and multi-user operating system. Operating systems are basically classified in two main categories, single user and multi-user. Here for this you will require your textbook Computer Science Grade 9 by National Book Foundation. Chapter is the same, Fundamentals of Operating System, that is Unit 2 in your textbook. Then the resources you required is computer, mobile phone, laptop and internet. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Okay, now we are going to start the discussion about single user and multi-user operating system. What are they and what characteristics does they have and in what environment they are being used. What is single user operating system? An operating system used by a single user is known as single user operating system. It is used on microcomputer. It is easy to use. You can open many programs at a time and switch among them as required. So your personal PC, laptop and computer is a daily life and a simple example of single user operating system. Single user operating system required less memory and cost is also low. There are the examples of DOS, Windows 95, Windows XP and Windows 7 that are considered as example of single user operating system. While going through the examples of single user operating system, just have a throwback of what is DOS. Remember, we learned about DOS when we were studying command line interface. DOS is considered as a single user operating system with a single task operating system also. Moreover, single user operating system, other example is of Windows operating system, and again we have already studied in graphical user interface where we learned about the Windows is a most popular example of graphical user interface, and we also learned different features of the Windows operating system that are more user friendly while comparing the other operating systems. Next we have the other type of the operating system, that is multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system allow multi-users to log in a single big computer and run different programs. By single big computer we mean mainframe computers. Typically a computer is a programmable machine. This means it can execute a program list of instruction that is given to it. Then we have the comparison chart of single user operating system and multi-user operating system. It is an operating system in which the user can manage one thing at a time effectively. That is a single user. In user environment we have multiple resources. The operating system is being managed. The example of single user is MS-DOS. And over here the multi-user example we have Linux, Unix, Windows and Windows 2003 and 2000 both. Over here in single user operating system there are two types of single user operating systems. One is used for single task operating system and the other one is multitask operating system, and there are three types of multi-user operating system. Then in the topic we will be doing, in that we will be discussing these three types, that is time sharing, distributed operating system and multiprocessor system. Single user is simple operating system and multi-user is the complex one. Do remember, there is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. With this message I will be ending the video tutorial. Go through the video tutorial and solve the assigned task given to you. Assignment that you have to do is differentiate between single user and multi-user operating system. You have to differentiate between both the operating systems. Then there is a research work. There is an example of multi-user operating system named as Windows XT. Gather information regarding this multi-user operating system Windows XT. Your research must not exceed 2 pages.